The future of coal and AI-powered transformation. Coal has powered India's rapid economic growth, but it has also led to environmental degradation and health hazards for workers. Now, the rise of artificial intelligence presents an opportunity to revolutionize the coal industry. With the right approach, AI can optimize coal production while also making it cleaner, safer and more humane. AI tools can enable predictive maintenance on equipment, reducing costly outages. Smart sensors with machine learning can monitor air and water quality in real time. Automated quality testing can ensure coal blends meet specifications. For workers, AI-enabled training simulations can prepare them for a range of scenarios without putting them at risk. Wearable AI devices can track vital signs and alert supervisors to emerging health threats. Rather than mass automation that displaces jobs, the priority should be upskilling workers and enhancing human-AI collaboration. With the power of AI, workers can focus on higher-value tasks and operate more safely. AI can also help plan optimal routes for supply chains, forecast demand, reduce energy consumption, and limit ecological impacts. It provides an eagle-eye view to support greener practices. But to realize this sustainable future, India must focus AI on improving human lives, not just efficiency gains. With democratic oversight and inclusive governance, the benefits of AI can be shared broadly. India has the chance to lead in socially responsible AI for the coal sector. The world is watching, and the future is bright. AI can power India's growth while also illuminating the path to sustainability.